Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Certified Digital Tax Accountant Faizan Khalid. In this video lesson, I'm gonna teach you that how you can record the insurance expense, how you can purchase the insurance, and how you can adjust at the end of each month of that insurance expense. Let's take a look. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to create an expense. For example, this is my client's books. I'm an accountant of my client, and I am on my client's books right now from my accountant portal. So first of all, for example, I need to create a vendor first. Like insurance provider, for example. And then I'm saving it, my vendor, payment account. If you want, you can add the new payment account. Like bank, for example. Checking account, checking account. So the bank is checking, the balance is also as of opening balance is nothing, or you can write the opening balance. For example, okay, let's say opening balance is 0. We save it, and now I'm going to create, I said for example on January 1st, yep, on January 1st, payment method is check. Um, I bought an insurance, got it? So the insurance expense debit, there is no insurance expense, no problem. So insurance expense, I want to check it here, other expenses, because I'm not finding insurance expense. Or you can in expenses, because there is no insurance here, right? So in expenses you can make like air insurance. Sorry, I missed it. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to save it. Okay, insurance expense debit, and check in bank credit, bank account is credit. For example, $12,000. Got it? Yeah. sorry, I'm not making a journal entry. I thought I'm making a journal entry. So insurance expense purchased, you can write purchased insurance. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? On 1st of January, with an expense of 12,000, save and close. So it's recorded in the 1st of January. Okay, but the problem is that if I see I purchased this for the 12 months, for not the January 1st. Got it? On January 1st, I purchased insurance expense for the next 12 months, including January, but January till December 2025 for the 12 months. But in my balance sheet, if I check my balance sheet, ladies and gentlemen, if I check my balance sheet, for example, of this month, of the January from 1st to 31st. So I'm seeing it is for 12,000. Understand? So it's okay, but the problem with that, if I see my P&L, sorry, yeah. If I may see my P&L of only January, so it says your January P&L is 12,000. Oh my God. It's not for the month, it's for the year, ladies and gentlemen. So I want to divide this for the 12 months. So let's see. I've made the simple general entry on the 1st of January, or you can make a journal entry, or you can expenses, you can just create an expense, which I just did. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create another account, which is a temporary asset account, which is prepaid insurance. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? Let's do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a journal entry on the same date, January 1st, 2025. I'm going to take the same date, January 1st. Sorry. Yeah, insurance expense credit of 12,000, because I'm going to transfer the whole insurance expense for the year into the prepaid insurance account. Got it? 12,000, and then I'm going prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance. In prepaid insurance, you need to create it. Prepaid insurance account type. It's, if I'm not saying, let me check in other current assets if it there, prepaid, yeah, prepaid expenses in other current assets. So I said prepaid insurance, the opening balance is 0 already. So the debit is prepaid insurance and the credit insurance expense. Understand? So okay, you don't need to write anything, just save and close. Okay, now you can see, you can check ladies and gentlemen, that the insurance expense is vanished. Understand? So, but I've purchased and I need to show of the January. Okay, now what we're gonna do, when we see the balance sheet, let me show you the balance sheet. From zero, right? Vanished. Insurance expense vanished. Now what I'm gonna do is now prepaid insurance. So I'm gonna take $1,000 each month at the end of the month, right? From prepaid to I'm gonna transfer 1,000 every last day of the month to the expense. Got it? So here you can see, if I like filter it for only January, so you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the prepaid insurance of only 1 month. So I'm gonna shift every month, at the end of the every month, 1,000 till December, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another journal entry. So this time it's an adjusting entry, okay? So I'm gonna make an adjusting entry, ladies and gentlemen, to show you that how it works at the end of the month. It's adjusting journal entry. I've just clicked it, okay? So at the end of the month, which is the 31st of January, I'm going to take insurance expense, because insurance expense is now current insurance expense is zero, right? When we buy it, we made the journal entry, insurance expense debit, bank credit. Previously insurance expense was in profit and loss, it was seen, were seeing $12,000 and now $0. So I'm gonna transfer every month, at the end of every month, $1,000 to insurance expense account from prepaid. Got it? So what I'm gonna do is insurance expense debit, in prepaid insurance credit of 1,000. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? 1,000. Okay. Journal entry, adjusting prepaid, adjusting prepaid, or adjusting prepaid, yeah, of January. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? What you need to do? Save. You did the save. If you don't want to repeat the process, what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, you can also do the recurring option. There is a, but in this case, because we are doing current, I'm here, as you can see, 28th of October, right? Today is 28th of the starts. So what you can do, you cannot, because we are making the 31st of previous months. If you are making previous months entries, you cannot recur, right? You can't recur. Okay, so what you can do is you can copy this and what you need to do is just like February 28, same, as you can see, same. Got it. Save. Then again, what you can do is copy. Like till December, you need to do same thing. Save. You cannot make it recurring, right? March already done. Then we are going to April. April 30th, save. Then we are going to May. Save. Let me see if I haven't made a mistake. First, okay, yeah. I missed the third one. Again, March. Let me copy it because I think I haven't copied. Now let's see how much we can. We have made 22, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Copy it. Then we need to jump to the 6 months, and we were in March, April, May, June. June 30th, save. Then copy. You need to do for the July. For the July, and then for the September, August. For the August, we have to make August 31st. Let's see, check again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. This one we make double. We have to say July. It's July. Yeah. We already made of August. Now we have to make for September. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? We have to make for September. September. Then we need to make for October. Then we have to make for November. Then we have to make for December. December 31st. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? Now we have made all the. We assume that today is 31st of December 2025. Now let's see. Profit and loss 2. Accrual base. Now you can see insurance expense 12,000, and balance sheet is prepaid is 0. We created the prepaid in January. Now in December is 0. All the balance has been transferred to each month. If I, for example, for the February, if you see, only for the January you want to see. P&L, you can see 1000 of this insurance. Understand? So what I did is, first, bank credit, insurance expense debit, because we have purchased the insurance for the 12 months. Now, at the end of the month, now then I transferred the insurance expense balance into the prepaid insurance balance, into prepaid account. So all 12,000 I transferred into prepaid insurance. So the entries I made: insurance expense credit and prepaid insurance debit, 12,000. Now, at the end of the month, I've made the adjusting entry. What I did is take out 1,000 rupees each month. At the end of the month, at the end of each month till December, I've made the adjusting entries. What I did is insurance expense debit and prepaid insurance credit, $1,000 each month at the end of the each month. Understand? So now everything is balanced. Insurance expense again. Now every month you will see, if you see month wise, so every month you will see in P&L 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, adding it, right? 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay. In March it's with 3,000 because of January, February, March added again. So this is called, I made you the difference between simple journal entry, and I've also showed you how you can make adjusting entries, journal entries in QuickBooks Online. I'm signing off from here. Take a very good care of yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Bye bye. Have a nice day.